On this small acre of land, where my goat and sheep roam, even danger creeps silently. Ticks, biting insects, even snakes slithering in the shadow, ready to strike when we are not looking. But then, the guardian arrived, the guinea fowl. Small, humble, yet fearless. Their eyes sharp, their calls loud, echoing across the farm like a drumbeat of warning. They scratch, they hunt, they feast on the hidden pest. Every tick, every beetle, every creeping menace falls before them. And the snakes, they hear their cries, they scatter in fear. My goats lift their heads. My sheep and rams gather closer. Safe, watched over, protected by guinea fowls.
Buyers don't buy just sheep and goat. They buy